Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Today we are going to learn on how to make money every minute online using a micro job website. The website we will be talking about is called Pico Workers. So Pico Workers is a marketplace which offers different simple tasks from various employers, and by doing these tasks will earn some money. There are very simple tasks like YouTube, subscribe, like or share, Twitter, follow, or like a post, Facebook, follow, or like a post. And many more tasks, thank you. So go to Pico Workers website, the link is on the description. Make sure to click the link in the description.
Pico Workers is an online marketplace that connects freelancers around the world with business owners, businesses who need other people to help them to support their work. Come to Pico Workers. Here they can hire workers for easy jobs. So guys will be hired by people who want the task to be accomplished, and the tasks are not hard and they do not require any skill to do. Then you will get the set of instructions from the employers or the business people who have come to hire workers to do their jobs. This is one of the methods, but you can just withdraw through PayPal or Skrill or many other methods that are in this site. So just select the job that you like, you explore the job, you complete this job, and then you send the required proofs for the employers to read. And the small gigs or the works or the jobs are great works. They are easy to do, they require little time to finish. They are jobs like text survey, categorize image, help promote content, and many others. You can get credited immediately after the task is reviewed, and don't wait for a month or more for a payout. So this is a great site that earning. Let us just start creating our account. And on the sign up page, you just required to fill in your login information like your real name, your email, password. These are normal to you guys. Whenever you open any account, there are normal details that you should provide. And when you are finished filling all the details here, you can just agree to Pico Workers terms and conditions, and then you sign up. So after you have logged into your account, we'll move to this page right here where you are going to find some tasks. I've already signed up and logged in this site. I've already done quite a lot of tasks, and as you can see, I've earned so far this amount, and I've already placed a withdrawal earlier, and this is the amount that is remaining that you can do. Like, you're just given to upvote this post and just send the proofs like your username of Reddit and the username of the link who post, and then just submit the proofs right here. Just submit the proofs right here. So you can see that this is a very simple task to do. They are not even hard, and I've done quite a lot of tasks and got paid, and I'm going to show you the tasks which I've done so far in this site, and I just got paid. So as you can see that task which we look, and many other tasks that I did and got paid. And also guys, I had already placed a withdrawal earlier and I just got paid. So I'm going to show you that this site is legit site, and I got paid through PayPal, and a month ago I got paid through this site. So I can assure you that this site is 100% legit, and they paid me for doing this simple task, and I recommend you guys to do this task. You can start earning from this site, and you can request the withdrawal at any time, and the withdrawal process in less than 10 days, not actually the 10 days, but less than 10 days. So thank you.